How to change the lock screen clock on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize the clock style and position on your lock screen. First, long press on any empty area of your home screen to enter the customization mode. After that, tap on Wallpaper and Style to open the style settings. From there, tap on Lock Screen to open the lock screen customization options. At this point, tap on Clock Style to open the clock settings. In the next step, you'll see two tabs at the top, Type and Color. Following this, tap on Type to browse through the different clock styles available, and tap on any one to preview how it looks on your lock screen. Once done, tap on Color to change the color of the clock to match your wallpaper or personal preference. From here, scroll through the color options and tap on whichever one you like. At this stage, once you're happy with both the style and color, tap Apply to save your changes. Finally, press your home button or lock your screen to see your new clock style applied to your lock screen right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your lock screen clock on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.